Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Karishma's Classes. In this video, we're going to see more arithmetic related questions, arithmetic ability related questions for the competitive exam. If there are the different types of questions is coming in the exam, how we can solve the questions in just a few seconds so that it won't take much time for us to complete the questions. So video को end तक बने रहिएगा. Till that, let's see the video. In last video we solved four different patterns of the questions. In this video we'll solve more different patterns related questions. So let's get started. The first question, that is, which word among the following words that can be formed from the letter of the recommendation? Means this is the word recommendation, and from this word which word we can create. Here it has given four options, so we can check, like reminder. In reminder we can check that all the words are in this recommendation. No. Next it is communicate. Communicate means COMM. Here there is no U. That means it is also not created. Next it is medicine. Means MEDI. Then C again, it is C. Then again we have to repeat the I, and then N and the E. That means these words are repeating. Means it is not the word. Next it is meditate. Means MEDIATE. See, here there is no repetitive words is using. We are not using single word, single character again, and the word is formed mediate. So the word is mediate. So like this we have to check this type of questions. Only we have to find the characters, like it is in the question or not. If it's repeating the characters, then it will not be the answer. So let's go to the other question. This is another question, that is, fill in the blank HEC, JGE, LLG and NKI, and then what is the next letter? So see, in this what are the letters? See, HEC, JGE, next LIG, and next is NKI. Okay, we have to find the next letter. First we have to check how this pattern is. Next we'll go for the next letter. Okay. Now H and J. How much difference is that? H and J plus 2 difference. G and G plus 2 difference. C and E plus 2 difference. Okay. So like this we found the difference, that in all the characters there are plus 2 difference. So using that we found this answer. We can check like this also, H and E difference and this E difference, and then we can find this letter, and then we can go again for calculating this one. But this one is the easy way. We can directly write the letters like this, and then we can find the difference between the letters. And in most of the questions the difference that will be like this only. So we can easily find the difference. In most of the questions it will be like plus 3 difference, and then plus 2, and then plus 1 difference, and in all the characters. So we have to find like that. Now next week we'll go to the next question. Our next question, that is, fill in the blank JAK, KBL, LCM and MDN. Let's see how we can solve this one. See this one. These are the letters JAK, KBL, LCM and MDN. Now see the difference. JK plus 1, KL, LM. This is plus 1 difference. C, ABCD, A, B, C and D, K, L, M, N. Here also plus 1 and here also plus 1. And what is the next word? N, O, N, O, P, N, O, D, E. And here it will be N, M. So see how simple this question is. In this we have to only find this one. So see here what is the answer? NEO is the answer in this question. So see how simple it was. Only there was a difference like plus 1. Like in the previous question it was plus 2 difference. Let's see to another question. D double N, F double Q, H double T and L double Z. Now what will be the next letter? How will we find that one? D double N, F double Q, H double T, and what will be the next letter? See, D and F we got plus 2 difference. F and H we got plus 2 difference. Now H and plus 2 will get J. Okay, and then J plus 2 it will we get L. Okay, so the middle first letter is J. And next N and Q plus 3 difference, Q and T plus 3 difference, and T and W plus 3 difference, and W and 3 plus 3 difference. Now and this C. Now how we'll get this next letter? This letter is repeating and this letter is written again in the next letter. So we can write here again W, and our answer that will be J W W. See how simple this question was. Let's go to another question. This is another question. If in a certain language Kolkata is coded as LPM LPUB, how is Mumbai coded in that word code? Now see, KL OP LM, then KL, then OP, then TUAB. So see how easy it was. Only in this one letter, I mean it is plus 1, K and L plus 1, O and P plus 1, L and M plus 1. So like this only if we are getting to the Mumbai MN UV MN BC AB and IIJ. So see here only we have the plus 1's difference in all the characters. So see how easily we found the answer. So like this only we have to find the answer quickly, and don't forget to make this table because it will be very helpful for us to find out the answers. So make this type of table, it will be easy for us to find the answers. Let's see another question. This is another question. Choose the missing term out of the given alternatives. Now see here it is the same question. There is Q1F, S2E, U6D and 219 W21C, and then what will be the next letter it is saying. See first it is Q. First how we'll find the letters, characters. See now in this first we'll see the letters. F minus 1 it is E, E minus 1 it is D, D minus 1 it is C, means C minus 1 it will be B. Okay, next Q R. See here Q after Q it will be R, after R it will be S, means Q plus 2, S plus 2, and then W plus 2. Now W plus 2 it means it will be Y. Next now we have to find the numbers. Now it will be 1, 2, 6 or 21. What will be the number? So see here it is 1 multiplied by 1 plus 1 we can say, means 1 1s are 1 plus 1 it will be 1. Now for this 2 it will be, we can say 2 multiplied by 2 plus 2, 2 to the 4, it will be 6, but it is not that one. We can say 1. See in this we are finding the difference now. Say 1, 2, 6 and then 21. So now here in both these 1 and 2, what is the difference? 1 multiplied by 1 plus 1 means 1 1s are 1 plus 1 it will be 2. Now 2 multiplied by 2 plus 2 it is 2 to the 4, 4 plus 2 6, it is this number is 6. Now 6 multiplied by 6 plus 6, here we won't use 6, here we will use 3, means here it is we are using 1 2 3 4 4. Okay, 3 3s are 9. In this we won't use like this, we'll use like this. This letter will be multiplied by 3 and plus 3, like 6 3s are 18, 18 plus 3 21. Now 21 means 21 into 4 plus 4. See 21 into 4 how much we will get? 21 into 4, 4 1s are 4, 4 2s are 8, it will be get 84. 84 plus 4 we are getting 88, means our answer is here Y 88 and B. See in the question we got this option number C, Y 88 B. So like this we have to find the answers of the questions. This one was a bit tricky, but we solved it easily. Let's see another question. See this another question that is more tricky. So let's see. In a certain code language, do re me means he is late. Means see here it is giving some words like do, re and me, and he is saying that word means he is late. Next he said F me la means she is early. Okay, that means she is early. Next, and so it do means he leaves soon. Which word in the code language means late? Now we have to find which word is related to the late. So first we will write that letters which it's saying like do, re and me, he is late. Okay, next we'll write fa me la, that is she is early, and so t do, that he leaves soon. Now let's see, here it is using he and here it is using do, it is using he, and here it is using do. That means do means he. Okay, here it is using me, and here it is using e. Here it is using me, and here it is using e. That means is code is me. Next we have to find the late word. Now if you are seeing here, the late and the re is only the left one in this first code. So our answer that will be re. That means the word late. Okay, so like this we have to write the words, and we have to write the meaning, which meaning it means, and then we will find the word, which word means which letter, which word. Okay, so thanks for watching my video, and मेरे चैनल पर बने रहिएगा. इन द नेक्स्ट वीडियोज आई विल शो यू मोर arithmetic ability related questions, different format questions, so that we can solve it easily in the exams. So if you like the video, like, subscribe and share the video. Thanks for watching.